Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyafterFifty, no spaces. I'm your Fly Dog D and I'm back with another video. Y'all, in this video, I did this look using new products, mostly new products. So I don't want to keep you too long. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here and you like what you see, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, one of the Fly Girls in the Makeup Nosy gang, thank you so much. Make sure you hit that like button before you go. And y'all, that's it. On to the video. All right, my face is prepped. I have on my moisturizer, my under eye cream, So now I'm going to use my primer. The primer I'm using today, this is not a new primer. This is the CoverFX Dewy Skin Primer. And I don't think they sell this anymore. But y'all, if you have anything but dry skin or normal skin, this will leave you a grease ball. But I like it underneath foundation that I think are not really dry, but not as moisturizing or as dewy, as radiant, whatever, as I like them. So that's what I'll be using this for. And you'll be able to tell. I'm put it on one side. You can see it. It's borderline greasy, okay? So you look at this side and this side with nothing. It is borderline greasy. All right, that is that. That's off my hands because this is borderline greasy. All right, now for my eyes primer, I'll be using the Oldie But Goodie, the Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer. I'm gonna put that on my eyes real quick. Alright, I'm gonna go do my eyebrows. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I did my eyebrows. Nothing special on my eyebrows. I hate doing my eyebrows, so I use the stamp so I can just get them over with quick. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so foundation. Foundation is not new, but it's a good foundation that I like to use. It's the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Foundation, and I also have the concealer. I have the foundation in 6W1 Ganache and the concealer in 4N2. 6W1 4N2. All right, let's go ahead and get this on. I am going to be using it with a sponge. Yeah, not going to color correct. Now this is a kind of, has a pump. I've used this before. It is kind of thick, but it still has some, yeah, kind of thick. Not overly thick. So let's go ahead and put this on, then we can get to the new stuff. Okay, now I have my base on. Okay, now we're getting into the new stuff. I'm about to set my eye with this new under eye powder. It is by Chanel. It's not new, but it's new to me. And it is called the Les Beiges Healthy Glow Sheer Powder. And I have mine in BD91. BD91. I don't know what that means. So this is the compact. Very nice. Open her up. You have a mirror and then the cute little brush, which I won't be using. The powder is covered by this black knob here, and there is the powder. Won't be too brightening though. That's cool. It's sheer. It's sheer, so that. Okay. It's one side powdered. Just finish the rest. I like this powder. I may get a lighter one. This one is really my skin tone. This is the color I get my foundation in. That looks good. All right. Now that the powder is done, we're going to go in with bronzer. I'm using this new Milani Cheek Kiss. I have it in 140 Mocha Moment. And that's what it looks like. Feels nice. There's the color. Okie dokie. I'm gonna use this brush right here to do my bronzer. Very pigmented, easy to blend. I'm looking in my big mirror. Looks good. Very nice. Don't want no harsh lines. And I've used this before. I'm set it with my Dior Deep Bronze bronzer. That's what it looks like. Alright, it's going to set it with that. Just a light, just lightly. So for blush and highlighter, I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona Berry Pop Cheek Trio. It's a blush highlighter palette. I know you've seen this before. It's been out a while. I've had it, but just have not used it. All right, very Natasha Denona packaging. So this is a cream blush, tinted glow cream base, and a dream glow powder, which is a highlight. So we're going in on with the base. Picks up on this fine. All right. I kind of see the red. I see it. I see a little shine on there too. You see? Now I'm going to go into the cream blush. Oh, wow, that really picked up. Okay. Okay. Wow. Let's wipe some of this off. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. That is pretty. On this side. All right. That is pretty. All right, now we're going to do this highlighter. Use this Sephora brush that I messed up. Okay. Whoa. Y'all see that? Okay. Yeah, I like that. That is pretty. That is pretty. That is pretty. Let me swatch these. Oh. That doesn't feel like the typical cream. That almost feels slippery. Not wet. It feels slippery. The blush. The base feels like a cream. And the highlighter feels a little slippery as well. But the blush really feels slippery. And there they are swatched. All right, wow. Natasha Denona did that. I feel like I want to spray my face real quick with Charlotte Tilbury. All right now. Now for my lips, I'm going to be using the Makeup by Mario, one of his new lipsticks. This is Flatiron with my Makeup Forever lip liner that I love, which is called Dimensional Dark Brown. Let me show you some swatches. That is Flatiron. Nice. And then this is Dimensional Dark Brown. And I'm going to go over that with this new lip gloss I got, this Dripglass. It's a Morphe Dripglass, and it's in the shade Naked Dip. This is not new. I just saw the color and thought it would be nice. That's what it looks like. There it is up there. Yeah, it's pretty. Alright, now that the face is really done, let's go in with the eyeshadow. Now my eyeshadow I'm going to be using is new. This is the eyeshadow I bought last month. Space Chemistry by Terra Moon. Space Chemistry by Terra Moon. It's a nice palette. Has a oval mirror inside, and these are the colors. It has two mattes in them that are pretty much very close to each other. I'll be using those for my transition and crease, but I didn't want to take any of them out. I don't want to have the same trouble I had with Glaminatrix, where I took it out before I even tried it and then wanted to try it and didn't know what I did with it. So I'm leaving those in, but in this little palette, these are Terra Moon shadows and these are Kristen Lee, but I bought, which one of these I bought? I already had a few Terra Moon, but I got Asteroid, which is this one right here, to darken out this one right here to darken out my outer V. So I'll still be using all new Terra Moon shadows. Okay, I got my brushes. Like I said in the previous video, I like to have at least 5 brushes. 3 fluffy ones for blending, a dome-shaped ones, and a flat brush. So I got those. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now using this palette, I'm going with Terraform in my, let's flip this way, Terraform in my transition area and Solarium in my crease. Oh, it does have a lot of dust up. Shoved in my eyes first, I think. Alright, using the same brush, I'm going into Meteor Sand. Once again, a lot of dust up. Okay, I'm done with my transition area and my crease. I do wish these mattes had a little bit more pigment to them. I wish like maybe one of them was I don't know. I really not good at color like a lot of people, but I know these are too light. They're too light. I mean, you can see them on there. They look pretty, but I wish I had something else to bring out these shimmers. I don't know. I just wish I did. Okay, now I'm gonna go in. Might as well use the same brush. It don't matter because it just don't matter. I'm going in with that Asteroid color, this one right here, to deepen my outer V. This one doesn't have as much dust up as those other two. It's allowing me to build up. It doesn't just come out of the box too dark. This is Dome one in Asteroid to go underneath my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with shimmers. Just the hard part. But which one? I think I'm going to go with these two colors. And this is Ionic Bond and Moon Water. So I'm going to use my flat brush. I am going to spray it. Does pick up on the brush nicely. But I don't need no fallout today. No fallout. No fallout today. No fallout. Just tapping it on. And that is beautiful. This will do better with a stickier primer too, but mine was set by the powder and the other eyeshadows. Okay, now I'm going into Moon Water. Change my spritz bottle because that one didn't wet it right. I feel like I should try my finger on this one. Oh yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna try my finger on that other one. Iconic Bond. Oh wow. Look at all that. Phew, look at this fallout. I knew it was gonna have fallout too. I knew it. Look at that. That is some serious fallout. Do your eyes first, y'all. Alright, this is what the eyes are looking like. Yeah, I got some serious fallout. I tried to get some, but some off, most of it off, so I think I did that. But y'all, this eyeshadow is glittery, glimmery. So this is date night material here. I can't wear this if I had a job to go to work. You know what I mean? But it's beautiful. Now this is also not new, but it is the by Terry Crayon Cold Terribly Liner in black print. I'm going to tight line my top line eyeliner. I'm going to tight line up top. And then I'm going to go in with these new mascaras. I'm not going to put on any lashes. I have not used lashes in a while, so I need to do it, but not today. So these are the Sephora brand mascaras. This is the Size It Up. And then this is Love the Lift. I saw these, and this is an ultra black, and ultra black. Both in ultra black. So I saw, I'm terrible with names. Aisha Huron. She did an ad with these that showed how nice they made her eyelashes look. So I said, I'm going to try these. Let's see. So this is Love the Lift. That's what that one looks like. And this is Size It Up. This is a straight one, and that does sound a little goopy. Now let's go into Love the Lift. Alright, y'all, here's my finished look. I like the way this came out, and I like using all these new or not so new products. It was fun to do. We'll see over time if any of these become some type of favorites of mine. But yeah, so far, so good. First impression is favorable. Favorable. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and until I see you in another one, stay fly, sis.